day to all the dear students. This is chapter number 15, three-dimensional solids, part 5. Students, in this part, I have explained you 15C exercise, which is regarding cylinder and cone question together. So, please learn it carefully. They are very important. Now, students, last video we have seen question number 12. And 13 question also same like 12 question. You have to find how many meters of cloth in question number 13, which is the length of the cloth. So, the same method you have to apply for question number 13. So, let us start in this video with question number 14. So, in this question, a conical tent of capacity 1232 meter cube stands on a circular base of area 154 meters square. So, it means here capacity means volume is given 1232 meter cube and the base area is given as 154 meters square. So, we have to find in meter square the area of the canvas. So, here first of all students, we want to find here from this area, that is base area, we get the radius. So, I apply base, that is circular. So, here pi value 22 by 7 I apply here. So, 22 by 7. So, 7 up and 22 downside. This is 2 11s are and 2 7s are 2 7s are 7. So, radius I get 7 meter. Using our area formula of radius. Now, we find height also by using our volume formula. And then students, we need to get area of canvas. It means pi RL. Area of canvas means only the curved surface area. So, now using this, we get 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1232. So, applying values here, this is 22 by 7, r square 7 into 7, h as it is and 1232. The 7 get cancelled here. So, h I make the subject 1, 2, 3, 2, this 3 in multiplication with this in divide 22 and 7. Now, after cancellation here h I get 8 and 3 only in multiplication. So, h value I found here 24 meter. Now, students, first we get r and now h. So, to get area of canvas, what the question is, you have to find the length of canvas in meter square. So, canvas is only used to cover the curved surface. So, here we want slant height. For that, I take L square is equal to R square plus H square. R is 7, so substituting 7 square. H is 24, substitute 24 square. And by calculation, I get 625. So, taking square root, length or the slant height is 25 meter. Now, area of canvas, which is the curved surface area, is equal to pi RL. Now, substitute value of pi, radius and slant height. So, by cancellation we get 550 meter square. Now, students, what I want to explain that some of the students, they put here instead of pi r square direct 154 and get h value very easily. But at last you see here we need r again. So, we need to get r from this 154. So, I found it first only radius using this formula. It is up to you how you calculate and get your answer. Now, taking next question, question number 15. In this question 15, here a conical tent is to accommodate 11 persons. So, here question number 15. Each person must have 4 meter square of space on the ground and 20 meter cube of air to breathe. Find the height of the cone. So, here first of all on the ground area is 4 meter square for each person. So, how much for 11 persons? So, we write area used for 11 persons is equal to 4 multiplied by 11 because 4 meters square. So we get 44 meters square. This is the base area which is of circle shape, right? Then it is also given that 20 meter cube. It means volume used or volume of air used for 11 persons is equal to, what is the volume here given? That is 20. So 20 into 11 is 220 meter cube. So now we want to find the height of the cone here. For that we use our volume. Volume formula is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Right? And this is the volume we found here. The total volume. This is 1 by 3. Also students, this pi r square is this only 44. So 44 I can substitute here directly. Why? Because this is the base area and base is the circular shape. So it is pi r square. And h we need to find out here. So h I make the subject, this 3 with 220 into 3 divide by 44. So 222s are, and this is 2 11s are. Then this is 22 and 11. So this is 5s are, we cut. So h is equal to 5 3s are 15 meter. So this is our question number 15. Very easily you can solve. 15 meter is the height of this cone. Again students, 11 persons need area 44 meters square by multiplying 4 with 11. And volume also we find it same way, 11 persons by multiplying 11 to 20. And then use here volume of cone formula and get our height. Question number 16 is true false. You have to solve by yourself. Question number 17. In this question, the volume of a cone is the same as that of a cylinder whose height is 9 cm and diameter 40 cm. So question number 17. Here we are given height 9 cm, that is same as cylinder and cone, and diameter is given 40 cm. So we can write radius 20 cm. Find the radius of the base of cone if its height is 108 cm. So these dimensions we are given of cylinder, and cone dimensions we are given only the height 108 cm. So we have to find the radius of the base of cone. Only in the first line the volume of cone and cylinder is equal. So we write volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. This is pi r square h and this is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So first of all this pi get cancelled from both the sides. Also we are given height and radius of cylinder. So substitute radius 20 into 20 and height is 9 cm. Also here 1 by 3, radius we want to find out and height is 108. So now we have r square is equal to 20 into 20 into 9 into 3 divided by 108. Okay, so 9 12s are, and this is 3 4s are, 4 5s are. So r square is equal to 5 20s are 100. So r is equal to 10 cm. This is the answer. We get volume of a cone. Question number 17. This is r, radius is 10 cm we found here. Now taking question number 18. In this question, a canvas tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical roof. So here we draw the figure also. That down shape is of cylinder and up it is canvas tent which is of conical shape. The common diameter of the cone and cylinder is 14 centimeter. So diameter is given 14 meter, that is common to both. The height of the cylindrical part is 8 meter. So I am writing cylinder height is 8 meter and height of the cone, that is of cone height, is 4 meter. So find the area of the canvas used to make the tent. Give your answer in meters square, correct to 1 decimal place. Also pi value is 22/7. So let us understand by figure. Here it is given, this is the cylinder shape. We are going to form a tent. So downside there is a cylinder shape and upper part is conical shape. So here cone shape is drawn. So this type of tent we need to form, and also the dimensions are given here. This is the diameter given to us, which is of both common, also cylinder and cone, 14 meter. Now the cylinder height, so this much height is 8 meter and conical height is 4 meter. So students, we need to get the area of canvas. It means only the curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Because the base is not made up of canvas. So we have to find accordingly. First I write radius is equal to 7 meter of both. That is common in both. That is why. So I write first. Here area is equal to 2 pi RH plus pi RL. Okay, so we need first L. So using this R and H, we find L. For that I write here L square is equal to R square plus H square. So R 7 square and H is 4 here, that is of cone we are using. So now 7 square 49 and 4 square 60. 65. So by taking square root I get square root 65. Let us keep it here just now. Then last we keep here now, that time we can find out. Now 22/7, radius 7 and H, cylinder 8. 22/7, radius 7 and L, that is square root 65. So this 7 get cancelled here and here both. So this is 16 2s are 32. So 352 and this is the whole multiplication, and this is 22 into square root 65. So now we have to find square root 65 to keep the value here. So by long division method we get square root 65 8.06. Now we multiply it here. So we get, this is 2s are first and then multiplying with 11. So in total we get, this is 177.32 meter square. So now the total we have to find this. So by totaling it we get 529.32 meter square. What another thing they told, that get the answer up to one place of the decimal. So here question number 18, answer up to the correct to one place of the decimal. So we write here 529.3 meter square. So this is our final answer of question number 18. So here this is the area of canvas in meter square with one point of the decimal answer. So students, this time you have to understand by draw the figure and solve. Now solving question number 19. 19 question is circus stand cylindrical to a height 3 meter and conical above it. It means this is the same type of question. Students, we have solved 18 number. So I think 19 is homework you can do by yourself. So question number 20 I am taking now. Question 20. Find the volume of the largest circular cone that can be cut out of a cube whose age is 9 cm. Figure is also given in the textbook. So let me draw figure for you so that you can understand it clearly. There is a cube shape given here in the figure, and in it, from that we have to cut the cone. So here, this way, like this, cube is given and we need to cut cone shape from it. So there is cone in it like this. Here, this way, it is cone shape. Now whose height is here h, and this given 9 cm, which is the cube age. Okay, so find the volume of the largest circular cone. So first of all, what is the volume of this cone? Formula: volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the formula, no? So students, here this age, it means it is the diameter, and this is the height, which is the same height of the cube. So we can write here diameter is 9. So radius is equal to 9 by 2 or 4.5, whatever you want, you can write. So directly substitute value here. Pi value not specified. So writing 22 by 7 r, that is 9 by 2, 9 by 2, and h is whatever the cube height, that is the 9 value only. So now calculating here, 3 3s are 2 11s are. So 9 9s are 81, 81 3s are 243, 243 11s are. Divide by 7 2s are 14. Correct. So by calculation, what answer we found here is 190.75. I have already solved 190.75 centimeter cube. No, volume it is. So this is in centimeter cube we found. So students, this is question number 20. Here back side it is 190.93, but I think this is the correct only we have solved. Again you can check by calculating it. Question number 21. A tent is of the shape of right circular cylinder up to a height of 3 meters and then becomes a right circular cone with a maximum height of 13.5 meters above the ground. So calculate the cost of painting the inner side of the tent at the rate of rupees 2 per square meter if the radius of the base is 14 meter. So again, let us draw the figure, students, for clear understanding. It is again a tent in the shape of circular cylinder at the downside. This way, cylinder is drawn, and upside of it there is a conical shape. Okay, so like this, cone shape here given. Now, all the dimensions they have written that the cylinder up to height of 3 meters. So this much is 3 meter. And the maximum height means total height is 13.5. So how much is this, students? It will be 10.5. So that whole height will become 13.5 meters. Okay. Then again, In the last line, radius of the base is given 14 meter. So this is 14 meter. So this also 14 meter. Same only of cone and cylinder. So here we want to paint it in the inner side. This tent we want to paint from inner side. So what we want to find out, that we have to decide first. We have to find the curved surface area, that is of cylinder plus the cone. So, and after finding that area, we find our cost of painting it. It is given 2 rupees per square meter. So let us start solution here. For that, first of all I find curved surface area of cylinder. Cylinder is 2 pi RH. So I am finding separately here 22. You can do it together also. So radius is 14 here and height is 3. So 7 2s are. This is 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24, 24 11s are 264 meter square. And curved surface area of cone, that is pi RL. So here R is there, but L value we don't have. So we find first L value by taking the relation L square is equal to R square plus H square. Radius 14 square and H is this one 10.5 square. So this is 196 plus 10.5 square. We have already found here. Let me check. It is 110.25. So the addition of these two is 306.25 and its square root we found here is 17.5 meter. Okay, so this all the calculation I have made priorly. Now pi value here 22 by 7, radius 14 only, and this is the slant height 17.5 no. So I write at 175 by 10. 7 2s are 2 5s are 5 3s are 15 and 2, so 35. So again 35 2s are 70, 70 11s are 770 meter square. So this way we get both the curved surfaces of cylinder also and cone. So we write now total of them. So that is 264 plus 770. So we get here 1034 meter square. Now we have to find the cost of painting it per 2 rupees per meter square. So writing cost is equal to 1034 multiplied by 2. So that is 2068 rupees. So this is how we get our answer number 21. See, whenever the question you do not understand or you find it difficult to understand, it is better that you draw the figure and write the values in it, so that it will be clear for you that what you are given, what you want to find out, and how do you solve the answer. So the last answer, that is 2068, which is the cost of painting the inner wall of the tent. Now question number 22. In this question, a girl fills a cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter in height and 18 centimeter in radius with sand. She empties the bucket on the ground and makes a conical heap of the sand. If the height of the conical heap is 24 centimeter, find the radius and the slant height of the heap. Give your answer correct to one place of decimal. So now students, what does it mean that a girl is filling first a cylindrical bucket and वो empty कर रही है in the shape of cone? तो इसका मीनिंग ये हुआ कि जो अंदर सैंड है फिल्ड, उसका वॉल्यूम सेम ही है, whether it is in cylindrical form or it is in the conical form. So here first I am writing cylinder shape and its height is given 32 centimeter and radius is given 18 centimeter. Also this is the cone shape in which if the height of the conical hip, so h is given 24 centimeter. We need to find slant height and radius of the cone. So we solve it first by taking volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. Now cylinder is pi r square h, we know, and cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Correct. So first of all, this pi get cancelled from both the side. R, radius of cylinder here 18 into 18 and height is 32. We substitute. Then 1 by 3, radius we don't know. We have to find the cone radius. Height is given 24. Substituting. So here 8 3s are. Therefore, r square is equal to, this 8 will go in denominator. So 18 into 18 into 32 divided by 8. So 8 4s are 32. To get r value, we have to take square root. 18 2 times, I consider 1 time, and square root of 4 is 2. So radius I found 36 centimeter. So first answer, radius is 36 centimeter. Now also we have to find slant height. For that, L square is equal to r square plus h square. So radius we found 36, it is square, 36 square plus h is 24 square. So here let us find 36 square, everyone. So taking 36 into 36, what we found is 1296 and 24 square is 576. So by adding them, we get 1872. And taking square root on both the side, 1872 also you can take square root. So we get 43.3 up to one place of the decimal in centimeter. Students, this type of numbers, the big numbers, you can use your long division method to get the square root, which has been already taught to you in prior standards. So this is the radius 36 centimeter of cone, and this is the slant height of cone, which is up to one place of the decimal according to question. So now taking question number 23. From a solid cylinder whose height is 8 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter, a conical cavity of height 8 centimeter and base radius 6 centimeter is hollowed out. Find the volume of the remaining solid correct to 4 places of decimal, while pi value is 3.1416. So here they asked to get the remaining portion volume. So 23 number students, here what the values we are given, let us write first. We are given cylinder's height, so I am writing cylinder here. Height of it is 8 centimeter and radius is given 6 centimeter. Also the same height and same radius. We need to cut the hollowed out, means we have to cut a cone shape from it. So we have to find the remaining volume. For that, I write remaining volume is equal to, the big one is the cylinder, so I take volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h and this is minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. Students, both radius and height also equal here and pi value also equal. So I take pi r square h common first and 1 minus 1 by 3 in the bracket. Why? because here nothing left means 1 left and here 1 by 3 left. So now pi value we need to substitute here, which is given 31416 divided by 10,000. 4 places after 3, that is by, and radius, that is 6 into 6 and height is 8. This bracket 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Correct? So now let us solve this. So first of all 3 2s are 6 here. Now we have to multiply all these values, and by multiplication I get 603 point, I put the point and write 1872. 1872. There are 4 places in the denominator. So here in centimeter cube. So this is the remaining solid volume up to 4 places of the decimal as per the required answer. Okay, we get here our answer. Hollowed out means उतना part निकाल देना है, right? So volume of cylinder में से volume of cone minus करने से we get here remaining volume. So this is how we have solved question number 23. Now let us take question number 24. See students, these all the questions are very important to understand, because in each of the questions something is new you have to think out. So here a metallic cylinder has radius 3 cm and height 5 cm. It is made of a metal A. To reduce its weight, a conical hole is drilled in the cylinder as shown in the figure. So here we are given figure already, and it is completely filled with a lighter metal B. The conical hole has a radius of 3 by 2 cm and its depth is 8 by 9 cm. Calculate the ratio of the volume of the metal A to the volume of the metal B in the solid. So here students we are given figure. So let me draw this figure first. First of all, there is a cylinder shape given to us like this. Cylinder is given and there is a small conical shape in it. We have to drill down. These are the diameters. From here we need to drill out the small conical shape like this. Okay, this is filled out with some metal. Here it is given dark. Now let us write the dimensions given to us here. This is 3 cm, radius given 3 cm. This is the height 5 cm of cylinder. The next is, this is 3 by 2 cm and this is the height of the cone, which is 8 by 9 cm. So this is the figure given to us. Now understand the question. Here in this we have 2 metals used in this 2 cylinder and cone. So first, to reduce the weight means अगर ये weight बढ़ जाता है तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, इसलिए उसका थोड़ा सा पार्ट निकाल के उसमें लाइटर मेटल फिल किया गया है जो कि है कोन शेप का. उसके अंदर एक लाइटर मेटल बी फिल कर दिया गया है. तो हमारा वर्क है कि हमें रेशियो फाइंड करना है कि जो मेटल ए है उसका वॉल्यूम और मेटल बी है उसका वॉल्यूम का रेशियो फाइंड करना है. So first of all we find volume of cylinder, students. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. So pi value not specified, so I use 22 by 7. Radius given 3 into 3 2 times and height is 5. So now I do not put pi value right now. So 5, this is 9 5s are 45 pi. I put it volume of cylinder. Now secondly, we need to find volume of cone also. So volume of cone here which is again 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 as it is. I put pi also as it is right now. Radius is 3 by 2. So radius 3 by 2 keeping, and height here 8 by 9. So 3 get cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 3 3s are 9. So this is 2 pi by 3. Okay. Now so we want volumes now. Volumes we have found. Now we want to subtract them. Then only we get metal A. So for volume of metal A is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. So volume of cylinder is 45 pi minus 2 pi by 3. So by calculating this, 135 pi minus 2 pi by 3. So it will be 133 pi by 3. So this is metal A we found. Now we need to find the ratio. This is only metal B. Cone is only metal B and metal A is cylinder minus cone. So now volume of metal A to volume of metal B. So for that we need to put here value of metal A, that is made up of so here metal A is 133 by 3 pi and metal B is this one 2 pi by 3. So this pi get cancelled, 3 also get cancelled, 133 by 2. This is the ratio, that is of volume of A to the volume of B. So we write in ratio form volume A ratio volume B is equal to 133 ratio 2. So okay everyone, this is our final answer. They asked to get ratio form of two different metals used in this cylinder and cone. Now the last question of this exercise. Students, this is 25 number. An open cylindrical vessel of internal diameter 7 cm. Internal diameter is 7 cm and height 8 cm stands on a horizontal table. Inside this is placed a solid metallic right circular cone, the diameter of whose base is 7 by 2 cm and height 8 cm. Find the volume of water required to fill the vessel. If the cone is replaced by another cone whose height is 1 integer 3 by 4 cm and the radius of whose base is 2 cm, find the drop in the water level. So here students, we need to find different things. For that, first of all, we write the dimensions given in the question. Cylindrical vessel. So it means it is cylinder shape whose diameter is given 7 cm and height is 8 cm. And also in it there is a cone shape placed. So cone, here diameter of base is 7 by 2 cm and height is 8 cm. So first of all we find volumes. So volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Pi I do not place the value right now, and this is 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Radius, that is half of the diameter, and height is 8. So now this pi value keeping as it is, 7 7s are 49. This 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 49 2s are 98 pi value of cylinder volume. Then volume of cone I find here, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here 1 by 3 pi, do not put the value. Radius they found no, they asked. So diameter, so radius is half of the diameter. It means 7 by 4. 7 by 4 and height is 8. Now 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are. So I can write here 49 pi by 3 2s are 6. These are in centimeter cubes. Now next we are given one more another replaced cone. So let me write, this is cone 1 and there is cone 2 also, whose dimensions are given here. This is height is one integer 3 by 4 centimeter and the radius is 2 centimeter. So for that we find volume of cone 2. That is also 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 as it is. Pi value do not put. R square, that is 2 into 2. And h is 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. So this 4 get cancelled. So here 7 pi by 3 centimeter cube. Now we want, see, now read the question, find the volume of water required to fill the vessel. So for that we find volume of water, which is volume of cylinder minus volume of cone 1. C1 means cone 1. So now volume of cylinder is 98 pi minus volume of cone 1 is 49 pi by 6. So this way we calculate. So now calculating this, I can take 49 pi common. Here is 2 minus 1 by 6. So this is 49 pi. 6 2s are 12 minus 1, 11 by 6. So now we can put here pi value 22 by 7 into 11 by 6. So 7 7s are 49. And here we get 7 22s are 154 and into 11 by 6. So that is the final answer of volume of water we have found here is 539 pi by 6. Actually we should not put the value of pi, 539 pi by 6 centimeter cube. So without putting this value only, let us calculate this value. So 49 into 11 pi by 6, whose answer is this one, 539 by 6 pi centimeter cube. So this is our first answer, students, volume of water required. So 539 by 6 pi centimeter cube. The another question is also there. If the cone is replaced by another cone, it means if we replace instead of cone 1, cone 2 now, then what happened? So what is the drop in the level? Kitna height kam ho raha hai? That also we have to find out. So for that we find now volume of cylinder minus volume of cone 2. So then again we get the water volume. So here volume of cylinder again 98 pi minus this is cone 2 7 pi by 3. So we take 7 pi common. So here we get 7 ones are 7. 14 minus 1 by 3. So here 7 pi into 14 threes are 14 threes are 42 minus 1 by 3. So this is 41 by 3. So we get 287 pi by 3 centimeter cube. So now we need to find the reduced height or the level dropped. Okay, so for that let us find now that dropped height, I write dropped level of water. How do we calculate it? By taking original height. Original height is 8, you see, minus the remaining height. So that we need to find first. So let me find it first. So here what I have written, volume of water is equal to this. But I would not put this value here, but this is pi r square h formula, in which I will not substitute h value. And volume of water we already found, students. This is the water volume. So that I place it equal to here 539 pi by 6. So 539 by 6 pi. Here pi value as it is. R square value, cylinder radius is 7 by 2, 7 by 2. H we don't know. And this is 7 pi by 3. So we need to calculate this h value. I will take this here, everything. So for that, here I get 539 pi by 6. This minus 7 pi by 3 I am taking here. So 7 pi by 3 is equal to pi. Pi value I can put here 22 by 7. 7 by 2, 7 by 2 into h. So the 7 get cancelled, 2 11s are here. Now this is how we calculate 539 pi by 6 plus 7 2s are 14 pi, this whole under 6 is equal to 11 into 7 by 2 h. So I write it down here. So 9 plus 4, 13. 5, 5, 5, 3 pi by 6 is equal to, actually we can cut pi actually both the side. So 11 into 7 by 2 h. So now h value is equal to 5, 5, 3, 22 by 7, 6, 2, 11 into 7. All this right. Now 11 2s are here. This is 2 3s are. Now it is difficult to cut. So finally h value is, we found here 553, that is already. So by calculation h is equal to 158 upon 21. 158 upon 21. You can cut this 553 actually by 7. So here 7 7s are 49. 49 and 1, so 63. Okay, 79. 79 2s are 158 and 7 3s are 21. So this is the height we found. So now dropped level of water. So original height minus 158 by 21. We substitute this. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 168 minus 158 by 21. So that is 10 by 21, which is our final answer. The second answer what they asked is this one. The first answer is this one and second answer this one. I again explain you everything. First of all, I have found volume of cylinder, then volume of cone 1, volume of cone 2. Then I find volume of water, that is volume of cylinder minus volume of cone 1, which I get 539 pi by 6 centimeter cube. Then again I want to find the height. For that I take volume of water is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone 2. And there we do not put the value of h in the cylinder. So h value we need to find out by calculation, which I get here 158 by 21 centimeter. And then last I found dropped level of water. How? So that original height 8 minus the reduced height that is 158 by 21 substituted. So I get 10 by 21 centimeter as our final answer. So students, here I completed chapter 15. All three exercise A, B, C you can see anytime.